I had this.
You have a question?
Yes.
Which two?
Okay, I had a discussion today with
You got it right.
I had a discussion today with a Christian teacher, and we came to the. We was discussing about Islam, and then she asked me something where I couldn't give the answer because I was scared that I can hurt her, and I didn't know how to say it properly.
I see.
She asked me, we was talking about the material joy, and that you can love God and you believe on God, but you also can have this joy. And then she said, I gave an answer, and then she said to me that do you don't believe that God loves us anyway? And then I didn't want to give an answer because I didn't know how to say it.
You should have asked put a counter question to her, that you believe, as the New Testament has made it clear, God has made humans after his own image. So to answer for God is made easy for us if we apply things to the situations which we daily face and refer to our own reactions to those situations. You could have asked that there was a man here in England who not long ago slaughtered innocent children mercilessly. Tell me honestly, do you love that man? Anyway, there was a case of a couple in Belgium who molested young innocent girls who have not yet come of their age and murdered them after doing that cruelty to them, slaughtered them or killed them with torture. And they did it repeatedly, and ultimately when they were discovered, they led to the graves of those innocent children. It was so horrible. You ask her, do you love them? Love such a man and his wife? If you can't, then how can you attribute such ugliness to God? That he loves you anyway, whatever you do to his creatures, whatever wrong you adopt in your ways, however wanton you become, he still continues to love. You will know it only after death. Only then you will know whether God loved you or not. If you behave in a dastardly manner, in a wanton manner, how can a noble being love you? Love and hate and hatred are born out of situations which you face. If you are an honest, wise person, then the situation which is a hate-worthy will always generate hatred. The situation which commands love, warrants love, you naturally fall in love with that situation. So you should have told such Christian ladies that don't waste your life in myths and phraseologies. God loves, he is love. While if that is so, those who put Jesus Christ to crucifixion, God must have fallen in love with them.
I told something like this.
Pardon?
I told her exactly something like this,
okay.
But then she said that because she loves God and she doesn't do anything to other people what is bad, she just enjoy to go to discourse.
But
like
if
this.
God says don't do it, and she does it, there is contradiction in terms. You see? Living in imaginary love, while that love does not interfere with your daily life. Love has its demands. If you behave differently than a lover should behave, then your claim to that love is false. So they're just twisting away things to get rid of this problem of believing in God and acting according to His demand and His dictates. They want to love, keep it separate, and they want to act like a devil. And so there is complete insulation between the two. The compartment of love is different, the compartment of bad behavior is different. This is a myth they are living in. They are living a lie. Right?
Just
Thank you.